The world's oceans are full of incredible creatures, each with its own unique story and place in the marine ecosystem. Some are enormous, like the blue whale, the largest animal to have ever lived on Earth. Others are much smaller, yet equally fascinating. The pygmy right whale is one such creature, often overlooked but truly remarkable in its own right. It is the smallest of all the baleen whales, a group known for their filter feeding system. Reaching lengths of up to 20 feet, it may not seem so small at first glance. However, in the grand scale of the ocean, it is quite diminutive. But compared to its gigantic relatives, like the blue whale or the humpback whale, it's a miniature marvel, a tiny titan of the seas. The pygmy right whale is a fascinating creature with a lot to teach us about life in the ocean, from its unique feeding habits to its social behaviors. Despite its name, the pygmy right whale is not closely related to other right whales, which adds to its mystery. Its small size and unique features, such as its arched jaw and distinctive dorsal fin, set it apart from other whales. It is more closely related to rorquals and humpback whales, sharing some of their characteristics while maintaining its own distinct identity. This makes it a truly unique species, deserving of our attention and protection as it plays a vital role in the marine ecosystem. Join me as we dive deeper into the world of the pygmy right whale and uncover the secrets of this elusive creature, exploring its habitat, behaviors, and the challenges it faces in today's changing oceans. The pygmy right whale prefers the cooler waters of the southern hemisphere. They are found in the waters around Australia, New Zealand, South Africa, and the Falkland Islands. These waters are rich in the tiny creatures that make up the pygmy right whale's diet. They are most commonly seen in areas with surface temperatures between 5 and 20 degrees Celsius. The pygmy right whale is a pelagic species. This means they spend most of their lives in the open ocean, far from land. They are rarely seen close to shore. This makes them particularly difficult to study. Scientists believe that they may migrate with the seasons following their food sources. However, much about their movements and behavior remains a mystery. The pygmy right whale has several unique features that set it apart from other whales. Despite its name, it is not closely related to the larger right whales. Instead, it belongs to its own distinct family, the Neobalanidae. One of the most distinctive is its arched mouth. This feature is not just for show, it plays a crucial role in the whale's feeding habits. The upper jaw curves downwards, giving the whale a permanent frown. This unique structure helps it to efficiently capture and filter its prey. This unusual feature is thought to be an adaptation for feeding. The pygmy right whale primarily feeds on small crustaceans and other tiny marine organisms. It allows the whale to take in large gulps of water and filter out its tiny prey. This method of feeding is known as filter feeding, a common trait among baleen whales. Another distinctive feature is its baleen plates. These plates are essential for the whale's survival in its ocean habitat. These are long fringed plates that hang from the whale's upper jaw. They act like a sieve, trapping food particles while allowing water to pass through. They are made of keratin, the same material that makes up our fingernails and hair. This makes them both strong and flexible, perfect for the whale's feeding needs. The pygmy right whale uses its baleen plates to filter food out of the water. This process is repeated many times throughout the day to ensure the whale gets enough nutrients. It takes a mouthful of water and then pushes the water out through the baleen plates with its tongue. This action traps the tiny creatures it feeds on. The tiny creatures that it eats get trapped inside and are then swallowed. This efficient feeding mechanism allows the pygmy right whale to thrive in its ocean environment. A diet of tiny creatures. The pygmy right whale is a filter feeder. This means that it eats tiny creatures called zooplankton. Zooplankton are small animals that drift in the ocean currents. They are an important part of the marine food web. The pygmy right whale's diet consists mainly of copepods and krill. Copepods are tiny crustaceans that are found in all the world's oceans. Krill are small, shrimp-like creatures that are found in cold, nutrient-rich waters. The pygmy right whale feeds by swimming slowly through the water with its mouth open. It uses its baleen plates to filter out the zooplankton. It can eat enormous amounts of zooplankton each day. This is essential for providing the whale with the energy it needs to survive. Protecting the pygmy right whale. The pygmy right whale is a shy and elusive creature, often hiding in the depths of the ocean. It is rarely seen by humans, making it one of the most mysterious marine mammals. This makes it difficult to study and to assess its conservation status accurately. Scientists often have to rely on indirect evidence and rare sightings. However, we do know that they face a number of threats that put their survival at risk. These include entanglement in fishing gear, ship strikes, and habitat degradation due to pollution and human activities. It is important that we do everything we can to protect the pygmy right whale and its habitat. This includes supporting sustainable fishing practices that minimize bycatch and using eco-friendly nets. Reducing ship traffic in their habitat is also crucial, as it lowers the risk of ship strikes and noise pollution. We can also support research efforts to learn more about these fascinating creatures, their behavior and their needs. By understanding more about them, we can better protect them for future generations and ensure their survival. The pygmy right whale is a reminder of the incredible diversity of life in our oceans and the delicate balance that sustains it. Let's work together to ensure that this unique species continues to thrive for many years to come, preserving the rich biodiversity of our planet.